Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am Abdul Rahim, lecturer economics from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarpura. It is class 11th and the subject is economics. Dear students, our topic is the same as it was yesterday. The topic is coefficient of correlation, but yesterday we had discussed the coefficient of correlation when ranks are given. But today is the same topic, but when the ranks are not given. So, dear students, if we are asked or if you are asked to solve the question about the related this topic, that in a poetry recitation competition, 10 participants were accorded following marks by two different judges, X and Y, two judges, X and Y. To poetry recitation, 10 students who are participating there, two judges, namely X and Y, they have given the ranks of those participants. What was the ranks? X judge has given the rank of 10 students. X has given 15, 17, 14, 13, 11, 12, 16, 18, 10 and 9. Judge Y has accorded 15, 12, 4, 6, 7, 9, 3, 10, 2, 5. Now, what to do now? We have to calculate now the coefficient of rank correlation. As usual, as we are doing from many days, that in this table, first of all, the judge X, what he accorded the marks to the students were 15, 17, as I have repeated here in this line, the same was here, 15, 17, 14, 13, 11, 12, 16, 18, 10 and 9. And judge second Y, the same here, which was I have written here, 15, 12, 4, 6, 7, 9, 3, 10, 2, 5. Now, what to do now? Now we have to give the ranks. How we will give the ranks? It is we have to first see the highest rank and the lowest rank. According to that, we will give them the position. Here it is 15, 17, 18. The highest rank is here 18 and the lowest is 9. So we are given, if we will check these, the rank for this X which he has given, that is 7 for 15, 17 for 9, 14 for 6, 13 for 5, 11 3, 12 4 for 12, 8 for 16, 10 for 18, 2 for 10, 1 for 9. Now I will repeat it once more. The lowest rank of this is 9, so we are given rank of 1. After 9, it is 10, we are given rank 2. After 10, it is 11, we are given rank 3. And 12, 4, and 13, 15, 14, 16, 6, 15, 7, 16, 8, and 17, 9, this 8, 15, 7, this 17, 13, where did it? The same as far their rank is concerned. Now, the judge won the rank 15, 10, because 15 is the lower, is the highest, and 10 is here. We have given rank 10 to him, rank 2 or 2 rank 10, and the lowest is 2. We are given rank 1. 2, 1 rank, 3, 2 rank, 4, 3 rank, and 5, 4 rank. Similarly, as we are did accordingly at this, these were the ranks. Now, what to do now? Now this is difference. rank 1 minus rank 2. How will make differentiate? This is rank 1. 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. 9 minus 9, that is 0. 6 minus 3, that is 3. 5 minus 5, that is 0. 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. 4 minus 7, that is minus 4. 8 minus 2, that is plus 6. Now, this is minus 3, this is 6, 2, 1, minus 3. 1 minus 4, minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1, and 10 minus 8, 2 in the same way. This is the D. How R1 minus R2, difference of R1 and R2. Now what to do now? As far as the formula, our formula is RK is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. Now we need D square. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9. 0 and 9. 0 into 0, 0. 3 into 3, 9. 0 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9. Minus 3, 9. 6 into 6 is 36. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Plus 9. Now, sigma D square. The total of this D square. That is 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9, 18, 27, 36. 36 and 36 plus 4 plus 1 plus, that is 86. Sigma D square is equal to 8 square. Now what is the formula? Formula is RK rank for is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square by n cube minus n, that is equal to, and RK is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square is equal to 86. 86 divided by n cube. The n is 10. That is 10 cube minus n, that is 10. That is equal to. That is equal to, here I will write. Here I will write. That is equal to 1 minus 516 divided by 1000 minus 10. 1 minus 6 into 86, that is equal to 516. 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000 minus this 10 is equal to this. That is equal to 1 minus 0.52, 1 minus 0. That is equal to 0.4848. So coefficient of rank correlation. That is this RK is equal to 0.48. Thus I will write here now here. Thus there is a positive rank. This is a positive. There is a positive rank correlation. There is a positive rank correlation of a moderate degree. Of a moderate degree of 0.48. Now, my dear students, I hope that we are repeating it day after day. So it is not, I hope that it's not difficult for you and you have understood what I did here. Tomorrow inshallah we will do when the ranks are same. Yesterday we did when ranks are given. Today we did when ranks are not given. We have given the ranks here with the highest lowest value. And tomorrow we will do it when the ranks are equal. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.